Great. Hey, Blake. Thanks for having me. I'm Jay, and thrilled to join you. So, Quickbase is a SaaS-based no-code application development platform, and our mission is really to help organizations unlock the potential captured in their organizations in terms of helping them innovate at speed and with safety in their organization. So, what that really is all about is helping you end users, what we call citizen developers, citizen automators in their organization who encounter problems each and every day that they need to overcome to better serve their customers, better serve the mission of their company. We provide them an application development platform that enables them without needing to know how to be a software developer, without needing code. They get the power to leverage the potential of software development by using our platform to build powerful line of business applications that solve problems in their business.
Great. It's a pretty exciting space. So when we talk about, the use of no code, low code today, and how it's helping organizations, remain agile despite the volatility, right, that's going on. How do you kind of see that sort of working? How's it helping companies? And have you seen citizen automation grow as the digital transformation accelerates many organizations around the world?
Yeah, so 100%. What we see in the companies and the customers that we talk to each and every day is just this notion of, look, the market needs, and in particular in a world where we've had so much disruption with COVID, the demands for responsiveness, the demands for operational agility have never been higher. The need for a digital solution in a business, you can't have an answer in a month from now or a quarter from now. You need an answer today. You need solutions that you can build and deploy safely in a matter of hours. And with a no-code platform like Quickbase, we provide something that is very, very powerful, but also where that time to value can be built in hours or days. So we have numerous examples, and this was really highlighted during the sort of the pandemic, where government agencies, town cities that needed ways for their citizens to be able to report, issues of getting food or getting access for elderly, or hospital networks that had to figure out, how do I get the ventilators to the right parts of my network? Those acute, very, very urgent problems were ones that platforms like Quickbase were ideally suited to solve, because you gave something that provided a robust application development platform. You could very quickly get the experts that knew exactly what was needed building a solution that enabled them to get it real-time insight and connection to solving the problems that were right at sort of on their doorstep that urgently needed addressed. And what that's done is that's really opened up the window, if you will, of people starting to say, geez, I've heard about low code, no code, but now that I've seen that impact in terms of the step change in agility and responsiveness I have to being able to serve, my stakeholders, my customers, I need to give this these no-code platforms a much closer look, because I don't want to go back to a world where I can't be agile and I can't be responsive. I know that the world's only going to be moving faster from here. And that's where no-code platforms like Quickbase are really seeing a lot of momentum.
Excellent. And then just sort of following up on that, so you mentioned the we're talking about the citizen automation. Do you have any recent examples of how adopting citizen automation has helped organizations? And kind of an add-on question to that, what capabilities does Quickbase currently have or just release that are helping to bring those citizen developers to life?
Yeah, great question. So we have a number of examples. So I've talked a little bit about some of the ones that we highlighted, hospital networks, government entities, and so on. But when we look at some of the larger enterprise customers that we've been working with more recently, what we've seen, and we've had a lot of traction with large scale enterprises that, again, are sort of dealing with mass disruption, for example, in their supply chains that have been a really acute set of challenges that they're trying to overcome sort of as a second order effect to the pandemic. So one of those customers, for example, Mondelez, we work with very extensively, a global broad scale customer, our consumer products company, packaged goods company. And what they are absolutely sort of leaned in on exactly the mission that we see no code platforms like Quickbase taking on. Specifically, what they're saying is, look, we have a large scale IT and developer organization that is working on really critical problems that we're solving using fully coded professional development techniques. But out in the field, if I look around the world at the manufacturing plants that I have globally distributed, I don't have anywhere near the professional development and IT resources at my disposal to be able to solve all the problems and all the optimization opportunities that exist sort of out in the field. So what we want to do is we want to distribute a no-code platform like Quickbase and train up those subject matter experts in the manufacturing plants on the line so that they have the ability to now start building and crafting solutions that make their jobs more efficient, more effective, in a manner that they can just sort of speed innovation really at the edge of their business. I think of it often as kind of a big rocks is kind of the pro developer, IT-led digital transformation. And no code is really a great place for the small rocks, all the little things around the edge of the business that are really important. And so with Quickbase, when you ask what kind of innovation have we brought to market to sort of help that small rocks digital transformation effort occur, we've had a number of new capabilities that we've brought to the market. One major effort, particularly important in our customer base, is a really strong rework of our dashboards and visualization capabilities. So what people look for Quickbase to do and no code solutions to do is they're looking for it to capture data from around the organization and provide the right information and the right insights to the right people in real time. And so we've launched just recently a new set of dashboard capabilities that make it much easier for those end users to start filtering data from different data sources and different applications in a way that enables them to get the information and insight that they need in their business. A second major capability we've launched recently, or really sort of brought to market that's innovated, is a new set of integration capabilities, which is very important for citizen automation type use cases that you're describing. And what the capability we call pipelines is basically an integration platform. It provides a drag and drop surface for individuals to connect Quickbase and other third-party systems. So for example, if you have something occurring in a Salesforce opportunity and you want that to trigger automatically a new update in Slack and update a team on a calendar and update a project management application in Quickbase, we enable you to sort of connect those pipelines so that one item changing in one application can automatically fire off actions in other applications that you have. Again, to streamline the agility of those closest to the work to get the insight and information they need in the tools they're using. So it's a really exciting time that we see in the customer base. And I'm really excited about much of the innovation we've had the opportunity to bring to market.